Welcome to the SAP Cloud ERP 2602 product release highlights. I'm the digital avatar of the Cloud ERP and SCM product success enablement team with expert insights from Annette, Garcia, Lorenzo. In manufacturing, we're excited to share 4 new ways to work smarter. Simplified copying of production routing, AI-assisted routing proposals, combined orders in the Manage Production Orders app, Manage Production Orders, Production Planning and Operations Agent. These updates help you save time, work efficiently, and reduce errors. Our first highlight is our simplified copy routing functionality. In the Manage Routings app, you can now find and copy a routing directly from the main screen. Just enter your search criteria to browse existing routings. Select the routing you want to use as a template and choose Copy. Pick your preferred options for the target routing. Use the same group, select a different one, or create a new group. Make any changes you need, like updating the key date. All unnecessary navigation has been removed, so copying is faster and simpler than ever. Users who need some more guidance during routing creation can use our second highlight, our new AI-assisted production routing proposal feature. They can leverage SAP Business AI to find appropriate routings to copy based on BOM similarity. Find the closest match among the existing routings and use it as a basis for your new routing. This feature can be very helpful if you want to save time and ensure data consistency. In the Manage Routings app, use the AI-assisted Find to Copy feature to get suggestions of routings you may want to copy. Enter a material and a plant, as well as an alternative BOM as a reference. Choose Find to first get the best matches for material and BOM that can then be used to find an appropriate routing for copying. Click on Found with AI to see how the AI search works. The system highlights routings you could copy, with the most suitable one always listed at the top. Drill down to check the details of each routing, then select the best one and copy it for further processing. This feature helps you create new routings quickly and easily, even if you're starting from scratch.
Hello, I'm the digital avatar of the Cloud ERP product success enablement team with expert insights from Markus Oertelt. Now, let's take a closer look at the last 2 innovations. We have an exciting update that will make your work more efficient with just one click. With just one execution, you can now merge identical operations or even complete orders in the Manage Production Orders app. Imagine doing in one click what used to take multiple steps, saving time and effort, with higher efficiency across your production process. By activating combine orders, your team can focus on value-added tasks instead of repetitive work. It's a small change in the system, but a big leap for production efficiency. This next update will make your production work faster and smarter. You can now start the production planning and operations agent directly from your work list using the new release button. This intelligent agent helps production planners and supervisors release up to 20 production orders at once, automatically checking component availability, work center capacity, and scheduling alternatives. If prerequisites aren't met, it even proposes rescheduling. Once everything is ready, you can confirm the proposed changes and the agent will complete the order release, saving you time, effort, and increasing efficiency across your production process.
Thank you for watching. I hope this video was useful.
If you have enjoyed this product update, feel free to share it with your peers.
Also, please engage with us via our SAP community. Bye for now.
Bye for now.